So what did the aristocrat say to the pot of yogurt? I see you're also a man of culture. Today we have a fairly simple and easy recipe for all you guys and girls out there. Now I don't really know if this counts as a late night snack because you can technically eat this at any time of the day, but most of you will be doing this recipe at night because you can sleep while it works its magic. So in today's video, we make yogurt. Begin by getting some of your favorite milk. While this will work with other types of milk, I recommend using homogenized whole milk if this is your first time. Next, grab a fairly large pot and pour in a liter of milk. Place it over medium heat and heat it to about 82 degrees Celsius. Make sure you stir it from time to time to prevent it from burning at the bottom. If you still don't have a thermometer, then what are you waiting for? Go get one! Once you reach the desired temperature, remove it from the heat and let it cool down to about 46 degrees Celsius. You can leave it somewhere cool, or if you're impatient like me, chill it down fairly quickly in an ice bath. Make sure not to cool it too far below the required temperature, as the cultures will stay asleep in their little bacteria beds and get no work done. Once that's done, get 50 grams of your favorite non-flavored unsweetened yogurt. Mix it with a little bit of the warm milk just to help loosen it up, and then pour it back into the main bowl before giving it one final mix. Be gentle here, you don't need to froth the mixture. This isn't a cocktail or a cappuccino, so just take it nice and easy. Finally, cover it with cling film and poke a few holes so it can breathe. Place it in a fairly warm area and let it ferment for about 8 to 12 hours. Once it reaches your desired consistency and tartness, transfer the yogurt to the fridge to chill and to firm up a bit more. At this point, feel free to transfer it to another container for easier storage. The yogurt will stay fresh in the fridge for about 2 weeks. As usual, proceed to consume with whatever you deem fit at a pace that's comfortable for you or whoever's eating it. And there you have it, how to make yogurt at home. Once you start running out of yogurt, all you have to do is to save 50 grams of that particular batch and repeat the process once again. Infinite homemade yogurt for a fraction of the cost. In a similar vein, you can experiment with different kinds of non-dairy based milks such as soy, almond, walnut, I guess if that's such a thing. Basically nut milks, which is objectively a very strange sounding word. So do that next month because this month is No Nut November. Also, you can mess around with different kinds of starters to adjust the overall tartness of your final product. If you already have a specific brand of yogurt that you really like from the store, maybe buy that and use that as your first starter to start your yogurt making process. Yeah. But that's all for today. If you enjoyed the video or learned something new, remember to like and subscribe and to share the video. And I guess you can hit the bell so you are notified every single time I upload. Yeah. Also, let me know in the comments down below what kind of toppings you guys enjoy on your yogurt. Some people like it sweet, some people like it savory, some people have it as is. I'm interested to know your thoughts, so let me know in the comments below. But for now, I'll say thank you so much for watching, and I will see you all in the next video.